Hey guys, I love you. So today we are going to be doing a slime review. Yay! So actually I got two slimes from Wish. I was just playing with one of them, but let's get into the slime reviewing. So this first one has like a price tag thing on it. So it says Wish and then it has Wish in Chinese next to it. And then there's the maker of the slime, but it's in Chinese. So I'm guessing that they're Chinese or something like that. But so here it is. It is not that stretchy while it's in the container, but I took it out. It's like a butter slime, and it's like a wet consistency. It's like, it has Orbeez in it and glitter, which is fine by me. I just would wish that it was like not as wet. But I like the slime overall. It is a good slime. The swirls, not that bad. They're pretty decent for a wet slime. We're just gonna do a little ASMR, 20 seconds, that's all. So let's get into it. This is like the best ASMR I could ever have done in my entire life. Okay. So that was like 50 seconds, but who cares? Cause it was worth it. That's like the worst thing ever. So yeah. So let's get into the other slime. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so this is the container. It's like an inch big. But honestly, this is like 3 ounces of slime. Well, not ounces. It would be pounds in this case. But if it was a liquid, it would be 3 ounces. Or 3 ounces, whatever. So this one looks liquidy, but it's actually not. It's actually a really great slime. Listen to this. That's my favorite part. It also has great swirls, which I'm going to do right now. So I don't know what this slime is called. I'm going to name it though. So this is one of the swirls that I could do with this slime. This is like a stretchy, jiggly slime kind of thing, but it's not like that jiggly to where it needs to be in a bowl. Big bowl. So, I'm going to do a 20 or 50 second ASMR. Let's do this thing. So, so I'm going to just say one thing. I am not the best at making slime bubbles. I can make regular bubbles with the bubble solution, but not slime bubbles. So I have got a bucket magnifier thing, and I kind of want to see what this slimes look like under a magnifying glass. So comment down below if you think we should check it out. I think we should check it. So that's what we're gonna do. So it has like a rope that you can put it around your neck and holds, and then the ropes don't come off, so we're just gonna have to leave it. And now let's put this on in. But first, take out the paper. That might help. So I put it in there. Look what that slime is like under a magnifying glass. So it kind of looks small. Well, kind of. Not by much. There's little air holes over here. You can feed the bugs that you find through here. All that good stuff. Let's move on to the next slime. Okay, sorry. I was having a little moment of ASMR time. So when I got this purple slime, it kind of like was everywhere, all over the container and everything. So this slime I already reviewed, but let's see what it looks like under a magnifying glass. So this slime is kind of thick, so we're just gonna push it on down in there, and boom. Let's put the cap on.
Because she's an asshole. All that should matter is that the baby is sick. That's all that matters. They're making something.
So this is kind of a weird looking slime while it's under a magnifying glass. It kind of looks like gross. I would not want to see this slime under a magnifying glass if I was like a scientist or something, because look at that. Nothing's even happening. Didn't even move. So, yeah. But let's take it out. Okay, so that was kind of slippery to get out. because you know it's probably made of water beads or whatever you guys call it these days. I act like I'm an old person. It's Orbeez. I'm not slow. Oh, I don't know why I even said whatever you guys call it these days, because it's called an Orbeez. Some people call it water beads, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vid. I wasn't going to do this, but this like slime and me, I kept looking over at it. Like if you heard me like if you saw me like looking over, I was looking at that.
She gonna keep getting the fuck because you don't give her any more.
So have a good day. Remember, be nice, be kind, and be smart. I love you guys. And remember to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. Bye.